Good day everyone. Welcome back to JBS Wiki. In today's video, we are kicking off a brand new series on Azure Data Explorer clusters. This is the go-to solution for lightning fast exploration of large volumes of data in real time. In this step-by-step video, I will walk you through the process of creating your very first Azure Data Explorer cluster and then setting up a database inside it. Whether you are just getting started with big data analytics on Azure or looking to solidify your fundamentals, this video is the perfect starting point. No shortcuts, no fluff, just a clean, easy to follow demo that will get your cluster and database up and running in no time. If that sounds exciting, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos in this Azure Data Explorer cluster series. Let's jump right into it. So I'm on the Azure Data Explorer clusters. Yeah, so you can search for Azure Data Explorer clusters and then you will be able to get that resource. Click on create. Yeah, and what I'll do is like I will use an existing resource group called JBEDX. Yeah, and what I'll do is like I will name it as JBAEDX. That's my cluster name. Yeah, and I will leave the region as West US3. And now what I'm going to do is like I'm going to select the workload as dev or test. Yeah, if I select dev or test, I will not be getting the required possibilities to change the size here. Yeah, it's going to be extra small and 2 cores. But if you select storage optimized, then compute optimized, you could take control of your cluster size. Yeah, so you can select anything that is as appropriate to you, and also like you will be given chance for auto scaling as well, that I will be showing in a minute. Yeah, so let's select dev and test since it is going to be an test demo. Yeah, and I will not require an availability zone, so let's click on scale. So this is the one that I was talking, like for a dev and test instance, you get an option for manual scale. If you want, you can increase the instance count, but I'll be leaving it to 1 as of now. You don't have an option to enable optimized auto scale. Yeah, but if you have selected storage optimize or compute optimize, then you will be able to utilize this optimized auto scale, which will ensure like in case the workload kind of increases and it requires more resources, then it can auto scale automatically. And also like in case of the workload has reduced, then it comes down as well. So that way you will be able to get better performance, and also like your cost would be like not much. Yeah, so let's click on next. I will leave all these things default here. And as far as the security, I will again leave everything as a default. Networking, the connectivity method, I will use public endpoints as of now. Yeah, on a production environment, it is always recommended to have a private endpoint. In that case, even for non-production environments, if it is going to be on a secured environment, it is always advised to use a private endpoint. But this is a demo for me, so I'm gonna use public endpoints. Yeah, now click on next. Then I will leave everything as default, and then let's click on review plus create. Validation is completed. If you look at it, we have selected the workload as dev or test, and size is extra small, and compute is like dev, and there is no SLA here. Yeah, so scaling, it is manual scale, and instance count right now is set to 1. Let's click on create, and then let's wait for it to get created. I will pause this video. Once it completes, I will resume the video back. The cluster is created now. Let's go to the resource, and then under data, you have the databases. Let's click on that, and let's click on add database. Let's add the database as JBAEDX DB. Okay, a retention period, I'm just going to have like 30 days. Yeah, and then cache period, I think it has to be little Cache period should be like less than retention period, so I will keep both as 31. And cache period, what I'll do is like I will keep it as 10 days. Okay, let's click on create. Okay, so the database is created now. Yeah, so we can start creating tables and then use this option here, query, to get the required data. We will discuss about ingesting some data into this database in our next video. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.